In this video we will explain and show the steps for installing the DC House Dual Swing Gate Opener Kit. And in this video, we will install the DC House DIY kit onto a dual swing gate. Before installation, it is very important to read the instructions. This video shows the installation process of most standard gates. In your actual installation, please refer to the specific situation of your gate, combined with this video and installation instructions to install. Now, let's enter the preparation phase together. Here are some tools and parts that need to be used in the installation process. Please configure according to actual needs. After completing the measurement, please fix the rear bracket to the arm and fully open the gate to 90 degrees. At this time, the gate arm should be in the shortest state. Then mark the corresponding points of the brackets on the wall and the gate. And then close the gate completely, extend the motor arm to the longest state. And compare whether the position of the bracket on the wall and gate can be completely matched with the open state. After confirming the position of the bracket, make a hole and fix the gate motor on the wall and the gate. Congratulations! The installation of the gate opener arm has been completed. This video is to introduce how to install the control box and complete the wiring steps. There are reserved holes at the bottom of the control box for wiring. The positions are the same as those marked with red dots in the video. Drill holes and install corresponding protection rings according to your needs. Tap through holes of control box to pass through wire. Then drill holes to fixed control box to the wall. It is recommended to install on the side close to the AC power supply or solar panel to save the use of extension cords. This kit has a built-in transformer and supports AC or DC power source. You can choose the power supply mode according to your needs. This gate opener system comes with 2 infrared beam sensors, which can support automatically stop and return when obstructed to protect the safety of cars and pedestrians. Thanks for your watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer service on Amazon.